Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the exact worksheet and cell where the picture should live. This anchors your intent. Next, open the Insert menu and pick Pictures, then choose this device or online pictures depending on where the file is. When the file dialog appears, click the image file and choose Insert. Once done, the picture drops onto the sheet rather than into a separate program. Make sure to keep the picture selected so the next steps can lock position and sizing precisely. With the image selected, you control size and placement. Drag a corner handle while holding Shift to maintain the aspect ratio. Avoid side handles unless you need stretching. For precise dimensions, right-click and choose Size and Properties to enter exact height and width values. To align with cells, snap corners to cell edges or use Excel's Align tools on the Picture Format tab. Once positioned, decide whether the picture should move and size with cells or remain fixed. Finish by choosing Embed versus Link. Embedding stores the image in the workbook so it always appears, while linking keeps a reference to the external file and updates when the source changes. Once decided, use Format Picture to crop, add transparency, or a border for clarity. Save the workbook after embedding to preserve changes. If the image disappears later, check Edit Links for broken references. If you need reliability, reinsert the image as an embedded file and save again to resolve that issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.